Sorry. How you guys doing? Well, mechanic Dave, and I just bought a new tool, and I bought an Autel TPMS sensor tool. And the reason why I bought this is because we have a launch here, and the launch is okay for doing relearns, everything else, but for programming it did do crap, honestly. And my tire supply guy was in here, and I was talking to him, and he had these. Guaranteed it would work. And I have an 08 truck that all 4 sensors have died on it, and I know what I was going to do to get it programmed back. So bought this, and they have these sensors, and they're universal sensors. They do 315 megahertz and 430 megahertz. So they fit just about everything. Actually, here's a quick here's a little comparison of the two. All right. So this is the original coming out. I'm guessing that this is a factory GM part. But this is what's going in it. As you can see that it is an Autel sensor, or Autel, and this is what's replacing it. So they do look different, but fits, no leaks, nothing like that. And as you will see, that for this truck, you could hook it, well, here's the actual machine itself, and it has beautiful screen, nice easy big buttons, and bottom port for an OBD2 cable. It also comes with another USB cable with that kind of plug. There you go. So this is for charging and for updating it. And this has supposedly free lifetime updates. I haven't tested that yet, but according to the dealer, it does. And like I said, you see in the video, I was able to hook up to it. It pulled the original serial numbers off the original OBD2s, or at least the ones that were in it. I don't know if those are original GMs or not. They could be aftermarket, I don't know. But it actually pulled the codes off, and one by one put that number into the sensor. So it's just a matter of then mounting the sensor. That's awesome. And this was free. Not really. I had to buy 10 of these at 25 bucks a piece. But let's see, I was talking to a tire dealer, and he said that he was going to do it for $250 That was about a year ago. And so for what I've used on parts wise, well, even paying for the whole thing, I pay for the whole thing. So the next one I do, making money. And this will be great for work too, the different vehicles. If we can just stock the one sensor, put in anything, match it up and go. I'm a fan, big fan. This is a part number TS508. And this one, exact one is a -P, as in polyp. I don't know. Complete TPMS functionality, quick mode, advanced mode, unique TPMS status screen, tire pressure, placard value change. Oh, lifetime free software updates. It even says so on the box. Read sensors, pressure, temperature, battery voltage. It has TPMS status screen for fast TPMS health check. Read sensor IDs from ECU and compare ECU IDs with activated sensors ID, which basically is what I did. Read erased DTCs. Program Autel TPMS sensors, I just showed you. Smartly program sensors by copying sensor IDs from ECU. You can also do batch sensors, tool learning, couple different options. And it comes with a nice storage bed. So that is my tool haul. I am not going to do a video at the very end. I am going to show you though it actually picking up the ID numbers and learning it. And hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, like, comment below, good or bad. If you use this, don't like it, don't like me, makes you happy, whatever, go ahead, subscribe, like, share, hate, whatever makes you happy. But I hope you enjoyed this video either way. Again, one mechanic, Dave, out. Enjoy the show. Ciao. So according to the manual, I should be able to program this sensor with the original number out of the stored number on the OBD2. And this is connected to the OBD2. So let's see if I can do this so you guys can see it. Okay, so advance, Chevrolet, Silverado, 08. And I guess we go down to program, copy by OBDD. Please connect Bluetooth. This is on. I've already done that. Communicating with the vehicle. Okay. So we'll make this the left front. I apologize for the bad camera, but trying this one hand. So left front, yes to copy. Okay, well this might just be badass here. Okay, so that's the left front. Another sensor. Put in the pocket. Go down to right front. Hit yes. Alright, so according to this, I've copied all 4 sensors onto, or all 4 factory ID numbers onto these sensors. So let me get them installed and we'll see if it's working or not. Alright, be right back. So before it was reading service, and now they're not installed yet, but the system is actually now seeing them. Alright, that's pretty positive. Let me get them installed and we'll see what happens. Be right back. Okay, all the sensors installed on the truck, and let's see what happens. Awesome.